create unbelievable ideas. You just let your mind go crazy and it can basically do it. Well, that's what the Cricut Maker is. It is the latest version of the #1 best-selling electronic cutting machine in the world. It does so much more than cutting. It does everything from printing, cutting, and on and on and on. You're gonna see a rotary cutter because now it can do fabric. This is so advanced, it's so exciting. And if you don't have one yet, here's what we're doing for our big crafting event. This is now the very best value in the Cricut Maker we've ever offered. We have never been below $399. So if you've waited or if you've wanted one, now's the moment to do it. We have 5 flex pays for tonight only. It's included in our shipping deal. So, you know, you only pay $5 to ship everything. And it is a nice big happy box when it arrives. And you have made it an outstanding and overwhelming customer pick. Anna, of course, is gonna walk us through what it's all about, the magic behind it. And you know, I'm one of the biggest fans of this machine.
Me too.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And it really changed. You weren't, originally you didn't think you would be.
What?
Remember back in the day?
It revolutionized the way that I craft, the way I think about crafting, because the Cricut family of products and the Cricut Maker, it being its latest, greatest iteration, right? This is something, I mean, it's an incomparable machine. It's going to cut thousands of materials. All right, thousands. Anything you dream up, you can pretty much cut. Even, you know, not the kitchen sink. All right, but one of the things that's happening with this machine, right? This is an industrial strength machine that has all brand new engineering. It is the most intuitive electronic machine there is to date. And what's happening is that this machine is checking. I told it, I'm gonna cut fabric. I'm just gonna cut a piece of cotton fabric. It just checked to make sure that I had cotton fabric. It made sure that I had the revolutionary rotary blade loaded in the machine. What does that mean? Look at this. This is where all the juice is, right there.
Cool.
This is what it used to be, all by hand, all by trigger. Anyone with dexterity issues knows that this rotary cutter is a little bit of a challenge.
And anyone with patient issues gave up.
Yes.
Because I have no patience.
Right. Okay, so this is now a thing of the past. This is everything that Cricut brings to us now in their adaptive tool system. And if we could actually look right here, you have A and B. All right, and A is all about cutting. And whether you're cutting, with this machine, you're getting this revolutionary rotary blade. You're also getting the fine point blade so that you can cut those other materials, everything from paper to tissue, crepe paper, beautiful, beautiful things right here. You're getting, I'm gonna just show you how beautiful the cuts are with the cotton. Okay, I'm gonna have to move this all the way over here. So what happens is it's a beautiful fray-free cut. Right? You're looking at a beautiful star. You're now able to do that without sizing, without backing, without bonded fabric.
That's amazing.
That is really amazing.
That's shocking, yeah.
So what happens with the Cricut, right? The Explorer took us, you know, it took us this far, and the Maker takes you all the way home.
And I have to tell you too, if you already have any of the other versions, it is absolutely, and I have the other versions, it is so cool to go to this one. This changes everything you've ever thought of about using a Cricut because you can do so much. And by the way, it writes beautifully. I have the worst handwriting in the world. Guess what? I tell it to do the writing for me now. Do you know it does etching? There's actually an etching blade you can get. It will etch into fine metals, which is really amazing. It also is going to do the rotary. That's the fabric. You can do leathers. You can do wood. You almost, if you can imagine it, this can now basically do it. It's overwhelming how much it can do.
So what happens with the machine is that it's run by a free software program called Design Space, and we're in Design Space 3. It works on your phone. It works on, whether that's an Android phone or an iOS phone. It works on your tablet. It works on your computer. It works on your desktop. It works on your iPad. It works on my personal iPad because I can design on the go. I can create anything that I can dream up, save the project into the cloud, pick it up when I get back to my office and I'm near my machine, and I can actually cut from any device that I have. Okay, so if you can see my screen, I want to show you what I have. I'm going to actually search in all materials. I'm looking for felt. Look at all the different types of felt that come up. It's acrylic, it's craft, it's glitter, it's stiff, it's wool, I'm just gonna do Cricut felt, okay? But it's going to know exactly what needs to happen. And it's telling me, this is the really important part here, is to change from the rotary blade to the fine tip blade, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open clamp A, right, and remove the rotary blade. Now this has a tool caddy right here in the drawer. It also has this cup right up here where you can store things safely. You know, you always wanna be really careful, but this right here, that's where that goes. Locks in place, and now all we do is feed the mat, and it's gonna check me. This is going to work with me as I cut.
Yeah.
It's going to go right over here, it's gonna do a little dance, and it's gonna say, oh yes, Hannah, you did that right. It won't let me cut it if it didn't do it.
That's true. Yeah, it'll say, you don't have the wrong combination. You have the wrong combination inside there.
Right. So imagine your daughter, you know, is going to school tomorrow, and she needs a project. Right. Her best friend's birthday is happening, and you're one of those moms that needs to, you know, outdo that last mom. You know, we joke about that in the office a lot.
So true.
You and your Cricut are able to personalize. You're able to cut materials.
So the Cricut made these flowers.
The Cricut made everything I'm holding except for the ribbon.
Wow.
All out of felt. And this is so beautifully done. This in the box that you're leaning on, we have a Make Something You Love curriculum.
Look at this.
This is all projects designed to go with the Cricut Maker and the Cricut Explorer. This is the paper kit, and the felt one, you get all those pieces. You get 20 pieces of felt.
And these are on hsn.com, and they're available now too. So again, they're accessories to right out of the box to be able to make a whole bunch of projects. But out of the box, you get enough to get going. And if you have paper at home, you're in. I mean, it's really easy to get started.
And what's so great about that, there's video instruction, there's all the materials in the box. I'm doing the videos for you, and you're getting exclusive content for cutting. So if you're working with felt, just see how beautifully easy that piece of felt cut. Right? Now I'm ready to layer to create that banner. I'm gonna go back with a second color and a third color, and the precision cutting out of the thousands of materials never lets you down. This machine is a workhorse of a crafter.
And it does teeny little things that can do great big things. Like again, if you're brand new to it, we will not have enough time. We could honestly spend 2 or 3 hours just talking about what this machine can do. It blows your mind, but I'll tell you what, you'll never regret getting it. That's one thing. Once you start using it, even if you're a complete beginner, it's very intuitive, it's the easiest one to use. You will find that you reach for this constantly. You know, it's funny, and I don't know about you, but I never ever put mine away. I even created a permanent space for it on my work table because I use it that often. I want it right there.
Right, well, one of the things that people, I've been told, is that people use their Cricut, they cut vinyl. Okay, vinyl is like a big sticker material. It comes by the foot on rolls. HSN.com has an enormous set of vinyl. You can cut iron-on with this, which I'm going to show you in a second. I'm actually right now just going to cut paper, so I'm looking for medium weight, 80-pound, well, I want a heavyweight cardstock. Okay, so we look for it. You search all materials, cardstock, whatever you dream up, you are able to. So cardstock for intricate cuts, right? Adhesive back, glitter cardstock, craft, light, medium. All right, so I'm gonna do that 80-pound just for the grins. All right, so it tells me to use the fine point blade, and I just click go. What's amazing is if I wanna make one of something that I'm gonna do, I can do one, or I can do 50 in the same pass. All you have to do is load the mat, right? You make sure you've got the right blade. You make sure that you've got your second, in your B-clamp, this is where the pen tool goes, all right? The pen actually, we have lots of amazing pens from Cricut, different colors, different widths. They have calligraphy pens. That goes in the B-clamp. So does the scoring stylus. This is going to cut, write, score, do all the things that you want it to do. It is a crafter's absolute best friend.
It's a dream. All right, so here's what you're getting. You're getting the machine itself. It also is the rotary blade. We showed you that. Plus, you're getting the fine point blade and the housing for that. Now, you also get the USB, because if you want to hook it directly to your computer, you can. I actually work mine with the iPad and with my computer, so I kind of multitask. You get the fabric grip cutting mat, the light grip cutting mat. You get the pins she just showed you. You get a packet of materials for your first project right out of the gate. You also get the Cricut Access. Now, you're going to get 2 weeks of access. it's a free design space, but you get access to be able to try and explore a bit more. And then on top of that, it's very inexpensive as your monthly. If you want monthly access, I think it's like $9.99 a month right now, so it's fabulous. Then you also get 50 ready-to-make projects with our specific version, and 25 sewing patterns come with our version as well. So you can do a lot of things right out of the gate.
Right, if you'll share my iPad again, I'll show you that 50 free projects. Okay, so this is, I'm running the machine from the iPad, and like I said, it'll go from any device that you have, and what you get in Design Space is a Pinterest-worthy library of thousands and thousands of Make It projects, and make it by the click of a button. And so what's really fun in the top left of Design Space is categories. And what we're going to look for is free for Cricut Maker. And these are the 50 free projects that you're getting with the machine. Now, these are images that you now own. They are designs for things to make. This is so much fun as you're learning to work with the machine.
Now, that's with the iron-ons, right?
Yes, this and you just click Make It. What it does is it actually will tell you exactly what to do. All the instructions are right here. It's a PDF. You can print it. If you learn by reading versus watching, it's going to, see, now here are all the cuts, and I'm going to show you in the top left, you have 3 mats. It's done all the work for you. You tell it how many you're going to make, and you scroll through the cut, you add these iron-on colors, you cut all the pieces, and then you iron it on. So there's nothing like this, or the simplicity of this with those. This is your 50 free projects, and there are quilts in here. Can you believe?
I love that. Now, let me show you my project. You ready for this? So I told Anna, so you know, something will come up in your life, and you'll be like, oh, I got to make something. So what I was invited to, it was called Tea Party with the Royals. It was a fundraiser event that I went to, and this lady reenacted kind of this whole English royal thing. So I decided we had to wear fascinators. There was a fascinator contest. So if you look at my hat, that's actually a teacup, a cup and saucer that I found in Cricut. I just typed in teacup, and it's a dimensional one, and I literally scaled it. I printed it out. Of course, it printed and cut it, and I used Anna's paper for it as well. And then I just literally glued it all together and stuck some zhuzh on it. Even Prince Charles is in a really delicate frame at the very top. It's very complicated, right here. See the frame right there? And even that was all cut out by the Cricut. So I just wanted to show you, if you have something crazy you have to do, like make a fascinator, that's what I did with the Cricut. And that's just a crazy example of something you can do. But it shows you how fun and exciting the Cricut can really be once you have it at your house. And you can do that.
Anything you can.
Did you like my fascinator?
Oh, I loved it, Suzanne. I am going to steal that. I'm really going to have to make that. That's so beautiful.
I'm thinking of making one with a horse for Kentucky Derby. I started playing with that because they have dimensional horses on Cricut, in the Design Space.
Okay, so let's talk iron-on for just a second. So you've got hats you can make with it. You can now wear it. Let's
Crowns.
make a gift for someone. All right, so on my iPad, you see I have selected Hello Little One. And what's really important with iron-on is that you cut a mirror image. So you go up and you select the little mat at the top, and then you hit the button Mirror Image for iron-on. So it tells you very intuitively what you're going to do, right? And you can move this graphic around. I'm doing that with my finger. If you had just a small scrap of iron-on that you wanted to cut, and I've got it registered on my mat up in the top corner. So as you're doing this, one of the things is you're going to want to use the light grip mat that comes with this. It's going to go face down. The material is going face down on the mat when you're cutting it. So it's going to talk to the machine over Bluetooth. You have to pair the machine. There's a little technical ability that you need, but right out of the box, Cricut's made it so simple. They tell you to plug it in. They tell you how to download the app. Okay, and I'm doing iron-on. I'm selecting that material. I'm telling the machine what I want to do. It tells me what to do next, which is to load the fine point blade. And then all we do is press the load button for the mat, and then we're going to press the Cricut button when it's ready to cut. And it is that simple.
Isn't that cool?
It is so simple.
And then you use your Cricut press or your ProvoCraft press, and then you press it onto whatever it is you want to do. Little onesies look adorable with that.
So I have some breaking news, which is really fun for all of you that love Cricut, and I love Cricut. The knife blade just came out yesterday, which is really exciting. So the Maker is all about an adaptive tool system. They've reinvented the entire way that the machine cuts because it has 10 times the pressure, okay, of any machine. It's an industrial machine. All right. What does that mean? Well, the adaptive system has a new knife blade, all right, that already sold out on hsn.com, and it's not in retail yet. It's very sparing. Just so you know, I just want everybody to know it's there, it's ready, it's